University of Vasa Metal 3D Printing Lab is a demo lab for Scandinavia for Prima Open Additive, the machine manufacturer. Metal printing, like all the additive manufacturing processes, happens layer by layer. Metal powder in an inert gas chamber is melted by the focused laser, printing the whole object in several hours. Metal printing is used by several industries. Aerospace is the leading one. Medical and automotive also are advancing the processes. Of course, the materials, commonly used metals, are stainless steel, tool steel, and from the reactive metals, aluminum, titanium, and Inconel, which is a very high temperature resistant material. In the lab we have about 20 different printers, starting from the plastic and resin printers, liquid resins, then coming to the metal 3D printing. For designing the parts we are using also virtual reality glasses and 3D scanners to get the geometry.
Regional companies is one of the key points in our laboratory. They can approach to us for a consultancy or just for the service of printing. But of course also we can design from scratch. The process of metal additive manufacturing is quite beautiful. One of the main advantage is to create components with complex geometry. Not just complex geometry, but also it's possible to optimize, to make lighter a component, to integrate or to embed lattice, and also in the same time to create components to reduce components in a part. So additive manufacturing will be the solution. One of the differences with the metal additive manufacturing is the approach that you have as a designer. It's totally different to design something for plastic than for metal. So the stages in additive manufacturing for metal is designing, printing, and post-processing.
Students can use our facilities as part of the basic 3D printing and scanning course, or as part of the advanced design for metal printing course that's coming next semester. It's possible to do prototypes or group work for other courses, or if they do a specific project dedicated to additive manufacturing, that can later on convert to bachelor or master thesis.